How to maintenance instrument. If the lens is reversed, it will fall down and the lights will not be on. Rotate the lens number up and insert the lens to tighten. The lights will light up. After installing it, find that there are black spots on the screen. When operating, the screen black spots do not disappear or move. How to distinguish whether it is a multiple lens or the handle lens is dirty. Remove the multiple lens to see if there are black spots on the screen. If there is no black spot on the screen, it proves that the multiple lens is dirty. Wipe with a good quality cotton swab. Can't use inferior cotton swabs, otherwise it will become dirty. Can't wipe with a wet cotton swab. The round hole is the lens inside. After moving the multiplication lens, there are black spots on the screen, which proves that the handle lens is dirty. This is the handle lens. If the handle lens is dirty, the operation method like a cleaning multiple lens. After cleaning, install a multiple lens. The black spots disappear.